TV brings unto you Coronavirus COVID-19 special show with international perspectives. What people around the world are experiencing, what our frontliners think, how our festivals, our economy, our sentiments are getting impacted. Is there a silver lining at all in the corona cloud? Watch Yo India TV's special show COVID-19 Coronavirus with me, Jasleen Khanuja. The year 2020 would surely be remembered as a business as usual disruption time or a deviation from normalcy attributed to the microbe coronavirus COVID-19. What an unpredictable biological nuclear effect which is suspected to be a part of a political and or an economic conspiracy by China, or probably a mistake or rather a blunder in the virological labs of Wuhan. It is still hard to digest that something so hard could hit the entire world in an era of booming advanced technological maturity where we see the power of technology in all walks of life. Power of technology that can drive and control virtually all the stuff around us and can contribute to speedy analysis and remediations in practically all domains. And surprisingly, Western nations like the US and Italy have topped the list of fatalities and have been the chartbusters for unknown reasons. And the impact heat map extends to animals as well, as we hear the lions in the zoo getting infected by coronavirus. To tap this situation, we have had multiple weeks of lockdown and emergency situations declared in various parts of the world. Our friends around the globe shared their experience while they were also observing shelter-in-place orders from their respective governments and were going out only for essential work while maintaining social distancing, which I believe is more of physical distancing to avoid the spread of germs. Let's hear some of the experiences from England, Australia, Singapore, India, and parts of US.
Hello, I'm Dr. Vamani and I live in this village of Markfield, which is a fairly small and quiet village in England. As you can see, the coronavirus has affected the community over here as well. You still have the essential grocery stores which are open to get essential food items, but they're also very quiet. People are all trying to stay in and avoid social contacts to stop the spread of the virus. I think the community is working really well together.
I'm here to say a few words about the grocery shopping experience during this COVID-19. Everything is out of normal these days. It's not very easy to get anything that you want, so you have to really plan well ahead of time, like almost a week before if you have to order from Safeway or a delivery or a pickup time. And getting a pickup time from any of these groceries like Safeway or any other stores is really hard. And for Indian stores, it was actually helpful that a few Indian stores were offering pickup options where they pick up all the stuffs for us. But then it's not very consistent, it's not very effective. But yeah, hanging in there, it's good. Most of them are wearing masks these days, so we can be more safe.
I'm inside my condominium, and as you can see, this is the children's playground area. this playground, and then there is this swing here. These between seat of the swimming pools, the jacuzzi, the gymnasiums, all stand closed now. So the message is quite clear: just stay at home. In fact, we are not allowed to congregate even in groups of 2. The schools have all moved to virtual lessons. Only leeway for us is that we are allowed to go for exercise to open parks only. It's not easy staying at home all the time, but we have to keep our spirits high. We just try to do little things to boost our morale. We are all trying our best, and we just hope to come out of this soon.
हेलो, मैं हिमानी ऑस्ट्रेलिया सिडनी से। यहाँ पर कोविड की वजह से ज़्यादातर लोग वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हैं। यहाँ पर गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से रिस्ट्रिक्शंस ऑलरेडी मिड मार्च से शुरू हो गई थी और 23 मार्च से पब्स, रेस्टोरेंट्स, ये ओपन फूड कोर्ट्स, ये सब बंद हो गए थे। सिर्फ आप देख सकते हैं कि ग्रोसरी स्टोर्स खुले हैं, इंडियन ग्रोसरी शॉप्स खुली हैं, कि वहाँ पर भी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हो गई हैं विद रिगार्ड्स टू कि आप कितना सामान उठा सकते हैं, हैंड सैनिटाइजर, टॉयलेट रोल्स, ब्रेड्स, दूध, इस सब पे पाबंदी लगा दी है। देखे जाते हैं कि आप कितने कैन एक बार में उठा सकते हैं। इसके अलावा क्योंकि ज़्यादातर लोग घर से काम कर रहे हैं, इसलिए ऑफिस में ज़्यादातर वर्क फ्रॉम होम अलाउ कर दिया गया है। स्कूल्स भी ज़्यादातर ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन दे रहे हैं बच्चों को।
Hello, this is Navneet Sagar from London, Virginia. The situation in our city is similar to any other city in the country. On the grocery side, we are trying to order online groceries, and which is taking around almost 3 to 10 days. I request everyone that be at home and be safe with your families.
Hi Jasleen, a very good evening to you and your viewers. I hope that you guys are safe and are indoors, because that is the most important thing during this entire pandemic. Jasleen, you and I were discussing about the essential workers and how we feel when we step out of our homes on a daily basis. Well, let me be very honest about it. Yes, there is a risk factor attached to it, because at the end of the day we are probably ending up exposing our families to a larger degree of risk than the others. But then at the end of the day, if we don't step outside, then the economy also comes to a standstill. So I'm very proud of the fact that I am doing something for my country in the hour of the need. But then I need your help also to ensure that we beat this pandemic by you guys staying indoors. There is no cure available as of now. There are no vaccines available for it as of now. So since it can neither be cured nor prevented, the only thing is to ensure that we beat this pandemic is by prevention. And I think all of us can do that by doing our bit.
ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਅਨਿਲ ਸ਼ਰਮਾ ਇਟਲੀ ਤੋਂ। ਇਟਲੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਨਾਰਥ ਸਟੇਟ ਹੈ, ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਮੌਤਾਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ। ਰੋਮ 'ਚ ਦੇਖੋ, ਰੋਮ 'ਚ ਇੱਕ ਲਤੀਨਾ ਨੇੜੇ ਪਿੰਡ ਪੈਂਦਾ, ਉਹ ਲੇਬਰ ਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਖੇਤਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਆਪਣੇ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ 10,000 ਯੂਰੋ ਇਕੱਠਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਦਾ ਇਸ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਹਸਪਤਾਲਾਂ ਲਈ ਦਿੱਤਾ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਸਲੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਔਰ ਸਭ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਆ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਲੰਗਰ ਬਾਬੇ ਨਾਨਕ ਵਾਲਾ, ਸਿੱਖ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਿੱਖ ਕੌਮ ਹੈ ਸਭ ਨਾਲ ਅੱਗੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਸਲੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ। ਇੱਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ ਇੰਨਾ ਰਿਸਕ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਹਸਪੀਟਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੂਰੀ ਕੰਟਰੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਦਾਲ ਰੋਟੀ ਪਹੁੰਚਾ ਰਹੇ ਆ। ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹੀ ਦੇਸ਼ ਵਾਸੀਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਕਰੂੰਗਾ, ਹਾਲੇ ਤੱਕ ਇਹਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਇਲਾਜ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਰਹੋ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਬਚਾਓ।
This is Dr. Japra. I'm in Fremont, California, work as a cardiologist. And of course, from a medical point of view, this COVID-19 virus has not only shaken up the whole world, but also has been a calling for the medical world itself. But one good thing about the medical professionals has been they have seen a lot of disease, has been resilient. We have seen a lot of death, unfortunately, and have been able to manage it. So right now, the medical professionals have been managing this problem very, very well. Unfortunately, there's a lot more fear. It's not just the disease itself, but a lot more fear among the people, which has been created worldwide, started with China and rest of the world, and a lot more problems are cropping up. Not only domestic violence, not only other kinds of violence at home, but also depression, stress, and all these things are also setting in. Plus, a lot of the real diseases like cancer, heart disease, kidney disease, many of these elective procedures have been postponed, have been sidetracked. Fortunately, this thing is flattening out, the curve is flattening out, and we are coming out of it. And hopefully next 3-4 weeks we'll be totally out of this, and people will be able to go back to normal life